just a quick 101 on how to start creating your own sewing patterns. So to start creating your own sewing patterns, what you need is pattern blocks, because 99% of patterns are made using pattern blocks that are your stencils to creating your sewing patterns. So you will see here I've got a few examples. So these are the trouser blocks here, this is the back, this is the front, these are the bodice blocks, front and back, and this is the sleeve block. And there are loads of different blocks out there, and we have written a really helpful blog post on how to choose your own blocks and how to start working with pattern blocks as well. And what you will find is they do not have any seam and hem allowance on them, and that is because it gets in the way when you're creating your own sewing patterns, so you want to always add that last. So once you've got your blocks and you're happy to start working with those, you want to learn how to pivot and manipulate darts. And I have more on this in my courses as well, on how to pivot and manipulate darts and make them work for your designs. And it is one of the first things you have to learn in pattern cutting, because without knowing this, you won't know how to make them work for your designs, and you need these darts to create the shaping, as you can see here for the bust shaping, to be able to shape to the body. So it's really important to understand how to start working with darts when you are creating your own sewing patterns. And once you've got over that step of the process, then you'll be able to start pattern cutting your designs, and things will feel a lot easier when you start learning how to manipulate darts. So once you've done that, you'll then edit your designs and you'll start pattern cutting. So I've just like edited something here. This is just like a demonstration I was doing. And then you'll be able to add your hem and seam allowances last. So you always want to add them last so that they don't get in the way.